Positioned in a peaceful, family-friendly street on an elevated block with sweeping district views, this well-presented brick veneer home delivers comfort, space and outstanding entertaining potential. Hi, my name is Matt Lucas and welcome to my latest listing, 25 Cansdale Street in Blacktown.